This has been a very interesting day. First thing in the morning, I spent 2 hours with my buddy Joseph in the attic, cutting the beast into pieces, the old fuel tank. And this afternoon, I spent an hour and a half with my other buddy Jerome, getting rid of my door. Basically, this baby is gonna move over there. I'm gonna make a different entrance here. And the electrician came. He almost finished all the electricity on the first floor. And yeah, now it's up to me to get those babies up there. And there's somebody at the door. That must be my buddy. I think that's Joseph. He's like the only one who knocks like that. Or Catherine. Maybe it's Catherine. Let's have a look. Bonjour Catherine.
Oui, bonjour.
J'arrive. My very nice neighbor. So let's say hello.
Je vais pas
Bonjour
vous
Catherine.
manger plus que ça, c'est pour vous rapporter ça.
Was fun. I'm gonna go home now because I'm super tired. It's 9:30 in the evening and I'm most likely to be back tomorrow morning at around 7:30 to get all of this finished from both sides. And I really hope that my wall doesn't move within the next 12 hours. Otherwise, I'm continuing getting rid of my, well, of the part of my wall in my living room to have my future door in there. That's a heck of a lot of work. Lots of bags full of gravel and stones and bricks. And yeah, but it's getting there. We're getting there. I think today I can walk through that hole. I'm still not sure if I keep it this way or if I'm gonna turn it around. That's to be seen next year. I don't really have time to do that now, but it looks alright-ish. I think it looks pretty good actually. I would prefer having the door open like this instead of like this in the living room, but I'm gonna think about it the whole winter and yeah, figure out what to do next year.